Girls, he's coming. Please remember, once he comes in, sing. I'll remember the birthday song.
Oh, okay. Song.
And smile, smile. Yes, no.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wow, wow. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, baby.
I really do appreciate this.
I always love celebrating you on your birthdays.
Yeah, sure. And I really do appreciate this. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
You're my word. What can I do without you?
Baby, I love you.
I love you, man. Thanks for all you do.
I've always prayed for the courage to do this. I love you, my darling, from the deepest part of my heart. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. That is why... That's why I want to take this bold step. Will you be my husband? Please, just say yes, darling.
Melissa, what's the meaning of this nonsense now? You mean you brought me out here to rubbish me before your sisters?
No, babe, I love you and all my intentions for you are pure and genuine. It's not rubbish. Just say yes, darling, please.
I should say yes. Melissa, this is Africa. It is unwomanly for a woman to propose to a man. Get that into your thick skull and don't try this nonsense again.
Maurice, I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. Please, baby, please.
Maurice, what?
Oh. Are you angry? Babe, Maurice! Is he angry? Babe? Maurice!
Nonsense! What's the meaning of all this? Whoever that told this girl that she can propose to a man must be very insane! What's the meaning of this? Look at the stunts she just put out there! Allow me be the man. Why are you in a hurry to marry? So many of your age mates are single. Allow me be the man! Oren's telling me that all her friends are married. And so what? Do you have to go this extreme? Allow me be the man, Melissa, for crying out loud! Out of the way! Nonsense! Birthday boy! Birthday boy! Can you imagine the likeness?
What is happening now? You are supposed to be with your girl now, partying. Today is your day, my man. Today is your day.
My guy, can you imagine that girl proposing to me before people?
Wait. Wait. She proposed to you. Where is the ring now? Where is the ring? And you said yes. My guy. You said yes.
Excuse you, Nebo. Is that coming from you?
Wait. You did not accept the ring. Wait, your girlfriend proposed to you. What is wrong with that?
Guy, what is wrong with you? Have you ever seen a woman proposing to a man before?
Listen, my guy, let me tell you, most important thing is that proposal is there. Whether you propose or she propose, proposal is there. Love is there.
I beg your pardon. What in the world are you bragging about? Have you ever seen a woman proposing to a man? What are you talking about?
Listen, don't beg my pardon. Don't beg my pardon. Forget about the pardon. You're supposed to collect the ring. What are you telling me? Your girlfriend is doing well. She's nice. She's doing well. Did I see anyone that proposed to me? I will collect it with 2 hands. Share my responsibility. And you said no. In this regime, oh boy, you mess up, oh. You mess up. How I wish I
don't have time for this.
Hi. Maurice, don't tell me you are dodging my cake. Maurice, don't tell me you are dodging my cake, Maurice. Neighbor, can you see you? Maurice is dodging my cake. Maurice, come and give me my cake. What are you trying to do? You can't dodge this cake. Maurice, come and give me my cake. Open it.
Melissa, you simply went overboard.
I am telling you the simple truth, you went overboard. I don't understand it. Have you seen a woman propose to a man before? Have you? Where is that done?
He has refused to do the needful, so I just thought I could.
And you think the needful is you proposing to a man? You propose to an African man? Are you being serious? Are you our sister? Am I your sister? Is Meg your sister? Listen, you are an African descent. We're not Westerners. This is simply unacceptable. Melissa, is simply unacceptable. Hey!
I don't get this one bit. I only see a desperate chick desperate to get married. Why the rush, Melissa? I mean, we're triplets, aren't we?
I've invested a whole lot on Maurice, and I'm not going to sit back and watch another woman enjoy the fruits of my labor.
What exactly do you mean by that?
You girls know what I mean. You know, don't act dumb.
Know what? Know what? Let me tell you the truth, oh. You embarrassed that young man. You embarrassed yourself and you embarrassed us. You embarrassed us because nobody does this. Nobody proposes to a man. What's wrong with you? And you were even proposing with both knees. Did you know when you even wanted to plan this proposal, did you not see that they proposed with one knee?
You know, the annoying thing is you made me dress. And I just look like... It feels like I was a Christmas goat. Just served up to be slaughtered for Christmas with a sham of... What's this nonsense preparation in the first place? You know what? Melissa, I will not forgive you for this.
Yes, we are angry.
I love Maurice with the whole fiber. I love him so much. I want to hold around Maurice. Why didn't he just say yes? Why didn't he just say yes? What's so beautiful?
This embarrassment needs to be... Get away, you! May come and eat the cake, oh, because Maurice is no longer eating this cake alone.
Baby, I'm sorry. Please, forgive me.
What exactly are you sorry for? That you brought me out there in the guise of a birthday party to rub mud all over me? Huh? Do you even know what you did?
Baby, you are not doing what you ought to do, so I decided to do it myself.
I'm not doing what I'm ought to do. I don't get it, Melissa. What do you mean?
You ought to have proposed, baby.
I'm ought to have proposed to you. And who is telling you that you're the one to tell me when to propose to you? Huh?
But we're in love with each other. We're compatible. So what exactly is stopping us from getting married?
Everything is stopping us from getting married. Your desperation is something that I don't like and you know it.
I'm sorry. And I promise never to repeat it again. Please.
Listen, babe. All these antics of you taking me to wedding, telling me stories of how we'll be
propose to Ada and all that. Listen, I know all those things. But one thing that I need you to know is just, you need to calm down. You need to take it easy with me and let things flow naturally.
Baby, please, I'm sorry. Please, forgive me.
I forgive you, but please, don't pull such stunts again. I don't like it.
Thank you, baby.
You don't have to thank me. Come off it. I mean, you're my woman. If I don't forgive you, who then will I forgive? You know that I love you so much from the bottom of my heart.
I love you even more, babe.
Sure. Come here. Those chocolate lips. I like them.
Hey. What are you doing?
I want to make love to my woman. Is everything okay? What's going through your mind?
Nothing.
It's fine if you don't want it. So, babe, how about the 30 million naira that I asked you? I need that money to execute a contract. When am I getting it?
You can come over to the office tomorrow and pick up the check.
Are you serious? Thank you so much, baby. I mean, what can I do without you? You're everything and more that I ever wanted in a woman. I love you so much.
I love you too. I have to be on my way now, alright?
So, see you tomorrow at the office.
Yeah.
Hey, dear. Can't wait.
Alright, babe. Here you go.
What? My love, you did this for me?
And I'll even do more, darling.
Oh, you're so sweet. Baby, I love you so much.
I love you too.
Oh, baby, I'm so excited. Please.
It's okay,
Baby,
darling.
you're so
Anything
sweet.
for you.
30 million naira for me, baby.
And I want you to really make good use of it.
Of course I will. Oh, Meg, Mandy, please help me thank your sister. She's been so good to me.
Thank you, sis.
Yeah, thank you, sis.
You're welcome.
My love, thank you so much.
It's okay,
To my
darling.
word, what can I do without you?
Baby's fine. Alright, you have to run along now because we have workload to do.
Oh, I will leave now. Babe, I love you.
I love you right back.
Can I?
Alright, bye. Bye.
Okay.
Melissa, how could you?
Why can't I? Isn't he my man?
30 million naira. Just like that. What for? Have you ever sent such an amount to mom and dad?
Please, don't even go there, sis, because that's purely emotional blackmail. You know that, right?
What? 30 million naira? Man, I'm 30 million naira richer! Man, this baby came on you. She would have asked for 50 million naira and she would have given it to me ASAP. But well, I'm cool with the 30 million naira. Let's not be as if I'm greedy. But I know she would have given it to me though. 50 million naira richer. Which lounge, which hotel, which club where I go ball nah? Or should I just leave this money sitting right there in my account? Man, 50 million naira would have been better, but let me go with this 30 million. After all, I'm not even going to do anything with the 30 million naira. It's just gonna be sitting right there in my account. Man, I'm so happy. Maurice, what's up? Woo!
Oh, okay. Melissa. Sorry, please. I really need to understand something. Just one question. What does this guy, I mean Morris, what does he do for a living? Because I certainly do not know him with any job or business. What does he do?
Mandy, what sort of rhetorical question is this? Everyone knows what Morris does for a living, so why are you asking me?
Well, I don't.
Yes, I don't either.
So tell us, what exactly does he do for a living? Or does he live off you?
Oh, please.
Yeah, of course, don't please me. I mean, you pay his rent. You clothe him. You even bought him a car. You practically do all the chores in his house. And to top it all up, you give him sex as complimentary.
And how bad is that? Are you saying I should restrict my boyfriend from having my body? Is that it?
As a man, what does he do for you?
He satisfies my urge.
Wow.
Yes. Sorry. That is what he does.
Sorry. If I get you clearly, you're saying that you pay him for giving you maximum sexual satisfaction. More or less, he's a gigolo then.
No. Please, he is not a gigolo. What is wrong with you two? Why am I even entertaining this discussion? Huh? He's not a gigolo. Hey, please, I gave him my money, not yours. Alright?
Your money.
Yeah.
It's your money.
Yeah, my money. I mean, you guys are being paranoid. Excuse me, we have work to do. Please, girls are just being insensitive. What? Hey, wait, I want us to discuss about something, please.
Baby, that can wait. Come on.
No, I'd rather we discuss it now.
Baby, can't you see my state? Allow me to release something. I want to have you.
I missed my period.
What? What is it with you always losing your period?
Just get rid of it.
Maurice, an abortion? Maurice, why are you doing this to me? No.
Melissa, listen. We can't afford to keep the baby.
Why? Why not? You want me to take out this one? This will be the third pregnancy. And you want me to take out this third pregnancy? I can't do it. In fact, what is keeping us from getting married?
Oh, I see. You keep allowing yourself to get pregnant because you want to push me into marriage, isn't it? Allow me be the man.
Mandy, I don't understand why Morris has vehemently refused to propose to Melissa despite being together for so long. I mean, our sister is made. She's really comfortable. What's the problem?
I don't understand it either. I don't.
The earlier Melissa realizes that Morris cares about himself only, the better for her.
Don't even say that to her, because she's going to have your head. Do you understand? You have been talking to her. You've actually said, leave this relationship, and she wouldn't even budge. So just let her be. I think she wants, Morris to get married to her.
But the guy doesn't care one bit. He doesn't love her. My advice is for her to just look for love someplace else.
Then keep talking to her. She's your sister. Keep talking to her. Once you talk to her, maybe you just change strategy the way you've been talking to her. She will listen. Hopefully one day she listens and then gets someone who is, on the same level with her. She will listen.
Did you just say she's my sister?
Mm-hmm.
Is she not your sister? Your sister is stuck in a relationship with a low-life idiot, and you're saying, oh, keep talking to her and all that. What happened to your mouth?
No, you seem to be the one who is so, as if the whole thing is bothering you more. That's why I said keep talking to her. You understand?
Person love life no concern me. I'm just saying, because the minute you are out of one deadbeat relationship, perhaps you might just find your husband.
You're actually saying the truth because she's the one paying the bills. She pays the bills, everything. She just does everything.
But that's what annoys me the most. I mean, the guy is so classless. What kind of love is that? Hey, me, I can never be caught. Not in this life, even in the next lifetime. I cannot be caught in a deadbeat relationship with me. Pay a guy's bills. God forbid.
Easy.
No, very easy.
Be calming down. You're the last in this family,
Very
but your
calm.
mouth is like this. What
Are
is
you
it?
saying? Am I not calm? Very demure.
It is not demure. It is demure. And you're the one who speaks.
I don't get it.
It's demure.
I don't get it.
Demure.
Oh, please. Very demure.
See, don't talk to Melissa in that tone. No. She will just cut off your hair. We even breathe.
It's not my love life, I'm just saying.
Say it here. You self, I seen you, so relax.
I don't understand. Just with minutes. Both of you. So what's the meaning of the I'm the elder, you're the younger
minutes?
and everything?
What is minutes? You're the last.
I am not last. We came the same day.
Who is the first?
I don't care. It's just a couple of minutes.
Just a couple of minutes.
Yeah, whatever. But besides, I'm the most beautiful.
You'll be
Oh my
saying
God.
that.
And you guys are just so jealous about me.
Yeah,
You wish you were me, darling.
All I'm saying is don't tell Melissa that before Melissa will just seize everything that concerns you.
Very funny.
Baby, I'm not getting any younger. What is keeping you from putting the ring in my finger? What? I need to get married. I'll soon get old. That's not what I want.
Melissa, why are you being so desperate?
Oh yes, Maurice. I am desperate and I know it. I'm desperately in need to get married. So what's keeping you? Huh?
And who is telling you that you're old? You're still a very young, beautiful girl. So many of your age mates are not even married yet. So why are you being paranoid unnecessarily?
Okay, then what? Huh?
Melissa, I have 2 elder brothers that are not married yet. And it's unwise for me to marry before them. I'm the last one.
Maurice, I am pregnant. Don't you get it?
Get rid of it.
Is it that you hate children? That's why you keep terminating innocent babies. You keep killing children. Why are you doing this?
Melissa, do I need to remind you that we're not killing anybody at this stage now? It's just blood. Flush it.
I am not flushing anything. I'm keeping this baby.
Oh, I see. In that case, I will not be held responsible. Not even the pregnancy.
Really?
Yes.
I have to be on my way. Excuse me.
Melissa.
Excuse me.
God, not taking it. Imagine Melissa trying to pin me down with pregnancy. I'm a guy man and I will not accept that. Not now, not ever. I will not. Tomorrow she'll say she's the one paying bills for me. I can't even imagine myself getting married to somebody way richer than I am. I'm not the first to get a woman pregnant.
What am I doing wrong? Where am I getting it all wrong? What exactly does Maurice want? I've been with him from the get-go. I've done a lot for him. Secured contracts upon contracts for him. I've set him up on his feet. So what does he want? What is stopping him from throwing an engagement party and slipping the ring in my finger so we can just get married? Why is he doing this to me? Why doesn't he want this baby?
Madam, welcome. Langandeme. What's happened? God, you said the thought you have for my madam is a thought of good but not of evil. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. Anything when you make my madam not happy, Father, I cast it away. Let the Spirit say, Amen. Cover myself too.
I thought Melissa just drove in now. What's still keeping her?
Perhaps she's on call with her good-for-nothing boyfriend, who is so scared of taking responsibility. I wonder what he's up to this time.
Hi, sis.
Sis.
Sit down. What is it? Are you good? Are you okay? You can as well say something and not keep us quiet. What is it?
He asked me to report the pregnancy.
Is he mad? Something a walking head. You know what? Listen to me. Melissa, come on. See, trust me. He does not have any right to tell you that. You do not have to abort this pregnancy. Come on. We're here for you.
Yes, we're solidly behind you. You're not aborting anything. No more abortions.
Please. Well, come on. Stop crying. You're too beautiful to cry. He's not worth your tear. And trust me when I say he's not worth a tear of yours. Calm down. Relax. Okay?
It's fine. Okay?
Mel. Come on, sis. Come on. You're too pretty. Stop.
Yeah, stop shedding tears for him.
Melissa. You're beautiful. Don't let him talk you down. Sis.
It's okay now. You self.
Mel.
I'm here with you.
Oh, hi. Good morning. Please, have you seen the guy that frees Rosabelle?
You mean Maurice?
Yeah.
Morris.
Morris is no longer staying in Nigeria now. He relocated to Dubai.
Sorry, what do you... I mean the guy that stays here.
I thought he's your boyfriend. You're supposed to know.
Wait, I guess you don't know the person I'm talking about. I mean,
I thought
Morris.
he's your boyfriend. You're supposed to know. He's no longer staying in Nigeria.
Where is he?
He's in Dubai right now.
God.
Are you okay?
No, I mean, how?
What happened? Is everything alright?
How? Oh my God.
But you're supposed to know now. You're supposed to know. He's your boyfriend. You're supposed to know.
No, he's not meant to be. He's meant to be here. He didn't tell me he's going anywhere.
No, now you're supposed to know now. Why are you doing this? Why are you hurting yourself? Why are you doing this because of someone that doesn't deserve you?
I'm so shattered. Where do I go from here? Where?
Please, put yourself together, please. Put yourself together, okay?
I've spent 5 years of my life with a snitch. God, I feel like ending it all. I just can't.
Come on, girl. No, come on. Why are you saying such thing? You want to end your life because of a guy? I am highly disappointed in you. Why are you saying this? Come on. Pick up your pieces and move on with your life. Please. Come on, please. Stop. Please. Wow. You own this edifice. What is wrong with Morris? What does Morris want?
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your kind act. Thank you.
You're welcome. I was actually going to work before I saw you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. I have to be on my way now. Or should I help you inside?
No, I'm fine. Thank you. I'm okay.
Alright. Take care of yourself.
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid. I've been so foolish because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Oh, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, can't believe you did this to me. Oh,
You're not going to work now.
can't believe you did this to me.
Hey, Melissa, what's the problem? Why are you crying? What happened? Did anybody hurt you? Did anybody beat you? What's the problem now?
Melissa, please do not keep mute. Talk to us. What's happening?
Maurice has relocated to Dubai.
What? He left?
He left me with a child.
Oh my God! Jesus. He what? Jesus Christ. You mean that idiot fool Morris actually left? After everything you have done for him? Oh my God. Oh my God. What is wrong with this gender? Look at you. You have the money. You're beautiful, sassy, and classy. Yes. Melissa, you are more than enough. Don't let anything get you down.
Sincerely, yes.
I don't understand. What else would they want that's not embedded in you? Ha! See Maurice, that useless idiot. That guy that does not even have sense, smelly goats that you are helping. Oh my word. Oh my word. Instead of him to stay back and take full responsibility, he decides to leave you with a pregnancy, duping you of your hard-earned money. Processed his travel documents and left the country. Is he mad? Is he insane? What is wrong with this idiot?
It's okay, okay? Listen, it's only a fool that will leave a beautiful girl like you. I'm serious, Melissa, you're 10 over 10 now.
You see when I start now, they'll say Mega started. But if I catch that guy, if I burn red candle for that guy.
If not for the intervention of his neighbor, I shouldn't have come back. If he drove me home, he was the one who told me that Maurice has relocated to Dubai.
It's okay.
I am so devastated.
It's okay. It's okay. We understand.
This is insane. This is not right.
How could he?
Oh, the guy is a
Hey! It's okay, Melissa. It's fine. We can
It's
handle
okay.
it.
Mel. You know what he did was wrong. I just need to state the obvious. You know what?
See, no.
I am
madam.
No.
It's okay.
What I will do to him. I know what. I have friends. I need to make a call. I will deal with that.
Madam. Please. Let's go to work. Be civil, okay?
No, I cannot go to work like this. I will see. This is.
I cannot be controlling you. Come on, we should be her strength now. Okay, it's what you say.
Oh, Mandy?
Hi, Meg.
Where's the CEO?
She's not on seat.
How can the CEO not be on seat? It's 12 noon, and you think everything is fine with her at home?
Meg, what is wrong with you? You and I know what she's passing through. She's not in her right frame of mind.
Right frame of mind or not, Mr. Clark has been calling repeatedly. He needs to speak with her. Oh, he's calling again.
Why don't you answer the call? He's calling you because he knows you can handle it, so handle it.
Mr. Clark? No, of course not.
Exactly what you should have done.
Believe you did this to me. Can't believe you did this to me. I can believe my eyes. So you can do this. this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding.
No! What do you think? Don't look at me that. What are you doing? Stop!
Give it to me.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? Just let me have sex.
No.
Melissa. Melissa, what is it? Why are you here drinking yourself to stupor? I don't understand it. Don't you know you're pregnant? Do you want to hurt the baby?
Yes. I want to hurt the baby. I want it flushed out. I don't want it anymore.
Oh, you do not want to hurt an innocent child. What has the child done to you? Nothing. Mel, you have to calm down, okay? What if something happens tomorrow? This child could be your consolation.
Exactly.
I feel so shattered. I'm finished. It's all over for me. Maurice has broken my heart into 1,000 pieces. Just do.
Okay, fine. I understand that he, left you and traveled to Dubai. But it's not enough reason for you to do this to yourself.
Exactly.
You don't have to be broken. You have somebody else to take care of, and that's your baby.
Yes.
I want to be an auntie.
Can you listen to yourselves? Can you?
Relax.
We're talking about 5 years of my precious life.
Understand.
I gave him everything and he was out there processing his documents and visa to travel.
Sorry.
To travel to wherever he went to, and he left me out of the plan. He didn't tell me and he was siphoning money.
Calm down. Listen, you were in love with him. He was not in love with you. So what? You fell in love with a prankster. Who cares? Mel, you have to get your act together. Listen, Mr. Clark called today and you were not on seat.
Mr. Clark can go to hell for all I care.
Melissa, this Monday, this is work.
It's Mr. Clark you think about. That's how I feel. This is work. Then go through it.
Melissa, Mel, be careful.
I don't understand you. I don't get you at all. For real, Meg.
Yes?
Mr. Clark, in this kind of situation.
I don't understand. Someone needed to say it.
No, somebody doesn't need to say anything. Listen, the worst she feared has come upon her. She being a single mother, she doesn't want it, but here she is. Can't you see?
And you think that I'm heartless for talking to her about work? Mel built this company from ground up, and you want her to throw it all away because of that idiot? I won't let it happen. She needs to get her act together, and she better start doing it now. I picked Mr. Clark's call today. Who will do it next time? Anyway, I understand that he tricked her. I understand that he's a stupid person. She was in love with him. He was never in love with her. It's obvious. I kept warning her. He showed her all the red flags, but she didn't want to take it. I told her, leave this guy before it's too late, but she didn't. So,
So you don't understand that your sister has got a soft heart. She loved this guy so deeply. She could do literally anything for the guy. And she's in this condition, but yet, look at your tone.
Agreed. You think I'm the devil here? You think I do not love my sister? Yes, like I said, she was in love with him. But the fact remains, he was never in love with her. The facts are clear. He left. He left her and traveled. He deceived her. He was a trickster, a prankster. Imagine the bastard asking us to go get married. What effrontery!
Anyway, if Melissa is still in this mood and Mr. Clark calls, you'll still pick the call. Yes.
Really? Mandy, I'm hungry. Let's go. Take something to eat. Don't start drinking.
I won't. What's it?
Ah, God. Why did you give me 2 sisters who are full of so much trouble? What a life. Is that tears? Mel, are you crying? Dinner is served. Let's go eat.
You're not hungry.
It's been days. You haven't eaten. How can you say you're not hungry?
I do not want food.
What do you want?
I want to die.
What? You want to die? Simply because you were jilted? Wow. What is wrong with you, Mel? What is your problem? Is this why you've been so withdrawn and you've been sulking? Completely all alone? And starving yourself? Because of Morris? Morris! Melissa. It's like you don't even know yourself. No, you do not know. You know what? I'll remind you. Melissa, you are up here. Morris, down here. Come on, girl. How can a classy babe like you fall so low to date that low-life idiot? How?
Low life, classless, an idiot. Morris was my Prince Charming.
Oh. I get it. You got swept off your feet by his good looks. Well, let me ask you, sis. Who has fine face and six-pack helped? Who? Trust me, no one. You're better off without him. Please, just come off all this nonsense. Let's go eat. If not for anything, for that innocent baby in your womb. Come, let's go. Mel.
What is she still doing in bed? What happened?
She's on hunger strike.
Hunger what?
Hunger strike because her Prince Charming dumped her. I'm off.
I don't get it. No. Hunger? Why? Where are you off to?
To go eat. I'm hungry.
To eat? Are you being serious right now? And your sister is here. Meg, what is wrong with you? What kind of a heart do you have? Don't you think you're supposed to convince her to go downstairs with you and eat? That's what you're supposed to do.
I think I've been joking here. I've tried every trick in the book to convince her to come eat. She has refused. What do you want me to do? I should kill myself? For me, See, today has been a very bad day for me. I'm going to eat. Please, I am not in the mood. Mandy.
Is this how you behave?
She only just said, see, there's nothing I haven't said. She says she wants to die. Who cares?
Jesus. She wants to die and you want to go out. Don't you know that if you walk away, she might just hurt herself? Are you being serious? Meg, for real?
Mandy, yes, for real. Is she a child?
What is wrong with you?
Mandy, in case you have not noticed, I do not want to go on hunger strike. You can stay here with her and don't eat. For me, I am super hungry. In fact, I am famished and I'm tired. I'm not cut out for all of this. Please! I want her. It's not like I didn't want her. I did. She didn't listen. Now, this is the result. And you want me to suffer with it. Please. Oh, I cannot just be hungry in peace again.
Okay. I know you're hungry. I'll go get your food, okay? And you will eat. If not for anything, but for the person who's going to call me auntie. I'm coming back, okay?
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken.
Good day.
Good day. Who are you?
My name is Frankie. I came to see the owner of this house.
One of them.
I'm the guy that brought her home the other day.
Oh, the guy who brought her from Morris's compound.
Yes. I actually came to know how she's faring.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
But
you.
what happened to you? You just disappeared into thin air after you came.
I am sorry about that. I've been pretty busy.
You know what? Get my sister. I didn't ask you to smile. Get my sister.
Okay, sorry.
You're welcome. Please sit.
I'm fine here. I'm okay.
Oh, I could just get on the seat. It's
No,
fine.
I'm fine. I said I'm fine.
It's okay. Oh, here she comes.
Hi.
Hi. Who are you?
Oh, It's like you have short memory. My name is Frankie. Maurice's former neighbor.
Oh, she's quite tired from work. She had a very hectic day at work.
I can see that.
Yes. Some other time, maybe she'll be in a better.
All right, thank
It was,
you.
but it was nice to meet you, though.
Nice to meet you too.
Of course, yeah.
I think I have to be on my way.
All right then.
Take care.
Oh, sure, of course. Bye. Melissa.
Melissa, you know you're wrong, right? What you did is totally wrong. It wasn't fair to that guy. I cannot remember inviting him over. He brought you home last night. Do you understand? He was headed to work, saw you in your state, heartbroken, and he decided to bring you. He felt he could help you out. He decided to bring you home, and here he's here to say hi to you, and you walked out on him. You think it's nice?
You know, as much as I feel sorry for him, all men are the same and they deserve to be treated,
I don't understand you. I don't get you
What
at
did
all.
I
At all.
say?
No, are you? Why are you sounding like he was here to ask her for a relationship? He wasn't here to ask her for a relationship because obviously he knows she just got out of one. He was only here to say hi, and that was it.
Mind reader. So that's what he told you, or you read his mind? That he just came here to say hi.
Meg, you know you're not helping matters here. That guy is the reason our sister is here and alive today. Do you understand it? Listen, I cannot be here and be discussing this thing with all of you.
Well, it's pretty simple.
I don't want to see him here anymore.
Melissa, honestly speaking, what you did was wrong. In all fairness, it was a harmless visit. You made him feel bad, and you made me look stupid. This one, relax. Mandy, you sound agitated. What's wrong? What? Oh my God, please do not let her out of your sight. I'll be right there. Oh my God. I'm sorry.
Hey, pretty. I'm Davis by name. Hey, pretty. She just love me.
What happened?
Who's that lady that just left the supermarket now?
Oh, you mean Meg? She's the lady that works in Triple M group of company.
Meg.
Yes, Meg.
You mean you know her?
Yes, I know her. Yeah, they were born triplets, and the eldest of them all is the owner of the company, and she's a multi-billionaire.
That sounds nice. You know, I would love to see her again.
Okay. You know what will happen? Let us go inside. I'll give you the address when you're going.
Alright, sure. Let's go.
You know you won't kill yourself, right? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Sis, what's this I hear? That you want to take your own life because of Morris? Is that what you want? To die? What is wrong with you? You want to die and leave everything you've ever worked for? Are you kidding me right now? Melissa, did you even stop for once to consider your family? What the news of your suicide would do to us? Did you consider it?
Okay, Meg, it's okay. Like, you just need to take it easy. Can't you see she's heartbroken?
Go easy on her? Perhaps I should clap for her for trying to commit suicide because of a man.
Meg.
Yes, I should give her more accolades. Do you know how insensitive that is? Why are you megging me? I knew she was loving the wrong guy. I tried to talk to her, but no, she would not listen. She was carried away with his good looks and how good he was in bed. Can you imagine that?
Melissa, sincerely speaking, Meg is right though, because you were actually thinking you would use your financial muscles in getting yourself a husband, which is totally wrong. I don't know where you've seen anyone do that before.
Who does that? You have refused to listen to any one of us, thinking we don't want you to get married. You know me now. Me and men? No way. We do not mix. I do not care. They can all rot in hell for all I care. Yes!
Hey.
She's your sister. Tell her the truth.
You are spelling it out, so but easy. Please.
I don't like the way you sugarcoat things. She's not a child.
Who is sugarcoating things? Am I sugarcoating things?
She just tried to take her life! For God's sake!
She didn't. She did not.
Do you know how scared I was?
If you're scared, show it now. Show it that you were scared. Show it.
How can I cope with the pregnancy?
You will move on. Oh. You will. You will move on. You've seen.
Sis, you're a strong woman. And I love you. We love you. Agreed, you're pregnant. It's not the end of the world. We're here for you. Please, don't die. I was really scared when I thought I had lost you. I never want you to leave me. So please don't do this next time. Morris, he doesn't deserve you. It's your baby. Our baby. Okay?
No, it's not the baby part. I mean, your eyes, what are those?
Something entered my eye, of course.
Just say you want to be an auntie. Tell her. We can be this soft. Melissa, please, oh. Meg wants to be an auntie. You don't have to die, oh. Please don't die. You die now.
I'm sure we must have given her a very hard time.
Yes, you sure did.
Hello, ladies.
Hi. Hello.
How
may we help?
I am here to see Meg.
Meg. You're here to see Meg.
Meg? Sis.
Hi, Meg.
I have seen this face somewhere. I remember now. You! What are you doing here?
Meg, come on. What sort of question is that? You might be here for a business.
What business? What you want? Be explicit and leave. I have a lot of workload piled on my table. So, out with it. What you want?
Meg, I know I shouldn't be here during working hours.
You shouldn't.
But it's lunchtime. I was thinking we could do lunch together. But it's fine. I can see you guys are still busy with work. Maybe I'll just go and come back later.
Yes, you should. And never come back.
Okay.
Bye.
I'm sorry to perturb you guys, okay?
Good riddance. Okay. Yes.
Tell you what? No, tell you what? That was harsh.
Tell me, sis. What did he say?
That was harsh.
Good. I'll be in my office.
I told you, Melissa. Don't you think that her brain is in her ass? Because she's not one of us.
Mandy, you're beginning to be the problem here. Language. This is an office space.
Office space, but this is our office.
Be professional, please.
Alright, professional, I will be. Don't you think that her brain is in her arse? Something like that.
Leave my office.
Just go. Sorry.
Just go.
I'm sorry, it's just that she's messing up. Give it to me, I'll go.
Yeah, that's true.
Madam.
Sabinus. Where are my sisters? Meg and Mandy.
Madam, them know they inside.
Sabinus, if they were to be inside, I won't be asking you. Where are they?
Okay, madam, check wardrobe now. Maybe they don't dey inside wardrobe to change clothes.
Are you alright?
Yes, madam.
So where are they?
Oh, okay, madam. My spirit is telling me that them there backyard.
So why didn't you say it immediately?
Because the spirit was not talking to me then.
Check the gate.
They go always be never full. Madam na abokio. They go.
This is good.
I know.
Where did you buy this?
Same store I usually do.
Gives you beautiful wines.
I just know how to get the best out of people. Oh, Mandy. There's actually something that's been bothering me. Mel is supposed to be pregnant, right?
Mm-hmm.
But she's not showing. There are no signs of pregnancy.
Yeah, true. Because I've been wondering, did she terminate the pregnancy?
But why we should do something like that without even telling us?
Yeah, because she's supposed to be showing. Hey, Melissa.
I was looking for you guys.
We're here.
We're here.
Oh. Melissa, please. You're supposed to be pregnant, right? What happened?
Or is it that at 6 months you're not supposed to be showing? Because from what I see, your tummy is all flat and you're not even showing any signs. Like there are no weakness, nothing. What's up? What's going on?
What happened?
Well, nothing happened and there's nothing to talk about.
What do you mean nothing to talk about? Say somebody that actually made us understand she's with child. What happened? Melissa.
Okay, I just wanted us to sit and talk, but I'm not invited.
It's not inside. That we don't want you.
No, I'll be inside. It's fine. It's fine. I actually wanted us to talk, but you see what I mean?
She just dodged the question. Something is wrong. I'm sure she terminated it.
Right.
Because that could be the only explanation.
Right. But have you seen her like weak? Maybe I've not even seen her throw up. Have you?
No. Mel has been secretive these days. She tends to avoid us a lot of times.
She won't give me headache, please. Ah, this is good.
Are you serious right now?
Hello, you're on to Triple M Company. How may we help you? Joachim. Sorry, from where? I'm sorry, I do not know who Joachim Obini is. Yeah, I did, but I really don't know any Dr. Joachim Odoini. Take care.
So somebody's pretending not to know who Joachim Odweni is. Son of the billionaire, Chief Odweni. The person you actually went to school under his scholarship. You don't know?
I don't know.
Mel? Okay. What happened to your pregnancy?
Oh my goodness, what is all this? Not now.
Why? Why not now?
I left you girls downstairs just to come up here and have my peace. Just let me be.
That's because I want some answers. I need to know.
Okay, I think I need to shower because I'm all sweaty.
And I'll come to the bathroom to get my answer.
I'm locking the door.
Why is she running away from my question?
Yes, what are you doing here? I drove and I saw you. What's happening? What
Today
happened?
of all days, my car used to spoil. And I'm rushing to somewhere. I'm rushing to Emirates Investment to sign a contract.
Okay. Have you tried calling your mechanic? You know, anybody that can help?
I have called him, his number is not going. I've called him many times, his number is not going. I don't know what to do again.
Okay.
I don't even know what to do. Yes, let me call him again. The number is not going.
Okay, fine. It's okay. Just calm down, all right? I don't mind. Since you're going to sign a contract, I can, you know, you can use my car. Just go and do what you want to do.
You mean I should go with your car?
Yes. I would just be here and then, you know, call my own mechanic to come.
You barely know me. What if I bash the car or disappear with your car? Have you thought of that?
What are you saying? You're not a stranger, frankly. And you've been driving for a very long time, so you're not going to bash the car and you will not run away. So I'm giving you this. Take my car and I'll just pick my bag and, you know, make a few calls. We'll get this sorted out. You need to run along.
All right, thank you.
Let's go. Okay, so I'll just pick my handbag, okay? Alright, that's it. I'll make the call, okay? Hello? It's okay. Don't always praise me. I don't like it. Just relax. I called you for something. I need help. I'm at No, it's not my car. You can't. No. Just come. I need your help. I need you to fix something for me in a friend's car. But I'm on the road. Nothing is going to happen to me. Kidnappers are not here. Just come. Take yes, drive yourself. Let me text you the address, okay? Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you. Hey, Sisi.
Where's my car? Who has this car?
I helped a brother out.
Who's your brother? Please, okay, where's my car?
I'm just saying that you like
what?
you're
Suffering.
yeah, no, the thing is, after I was driving and then I met. Okay. Hi, Frankie.
Hi.
Hi.
In the name of God is happening here. Why is he with my car? You gave him my car?
Just calm down.
Why would you give him my car? Where's my car key?
Why are you yelling at me? You don't yell at me like that. What's wrong with you?
Melissa, I am sorry. Your sister met me on the road while my car broke down.
I do not care about your lame story. Now hand me my car key. Give it to me. Nonsense. Please don't ever try this anymore.
Frankie, please.
I'm sorry about that.
No, it's fine, it's fine. So tell me, did you get it?
Yes, I got the contract.
You did? You got it?
I got the contract.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much. You made everything possible.
No, it's...
I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much.
It's fine. It's fine. You needed my help and
Thank you so much.
So long as you have a smile on your face, I'm good.
Yeah. Let's go somewhere and chill and celebrate this, okay?
Right?
Yes.
Okay, the car is there. All right.
All right.
Okay.
Let's go.
So you got it. I can see you're really, really happy. What's the secret? What's happening?
Like, I am the happiest man in the whole wide world right now.
Okay.
We are talking about contract worth 200 million naira.
200 what?
You can say that again. You heard me.
Oh my goodness.
200 million naira.
Congratulations, Frankie. I'm so happy for you. Wow.
See, I don't know how to thank you.
Yeah.
You made this possible. You came at the right time.
Aww.
God brought you at the right time. I've been working hard for this contract. I've been praying so much for this contract. God brought you at the right time. All thanks to you and to Almighty God.
Well, thanks to Almighty God. And sincerely speaking, from the bottom of my heart, I am happy for you.
Thank you.
Wow. Wow, 200. That's amazing.
Yeah.
But Frankie, we've actually been driving in circles. Where are you taking me to?
My dear, happiness. Happiness won't just finish me. I think we should find somewhere cool. Take some drink.
Oh, okay.
Pizza, barbecue, anything. Just
okay. That's fine. So, anywhere you want to take me to is okay. We really need to celebrate you.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. All thanks to you. So, thank you. I can't thank you enough.
That's fine. It's okay.
Right. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy right now.
I am happy for you too. 200 million. No, I really need to pop champagne.
I swear that. You need to pop champagne.
Ooh.
You need to pop champagne.
Mel, what are you saying? If I understand it correctly, Mandy met this guy on the road stranded, released the car keys to him to go pick up his contract, then went further to call Luke to fix this idiot's car. Is she mad?
With my car. Can you imagine?
What if the guy had run away with the car?
Unfortunately, your sister didn't put that into consideration.
Mandy. You know what? Relax. Let's wait for her to come back.
So tell me about yourself.
You see, there's really nothing so big about me. My name is Mandy, and I was born a triplet.
Wow. You mean you are triplets?
Melissa and Meg are my triplet sisters.
Wow, I see.
Let me bust your bubbles. I have 2 brothers. They're identical twins.
Wow.
But they're not based here, they're based in the UK. So here, it's just myself, Melissa, and Meg. We live here. We run a company called Triple N Group of Company. That's what we run. And my parents are not based here. They're based in Owerri.
You mean you and your sister Meg is working for you?
Myself and Meg, we work for Melissa because she's the CEO.
I see.
Very brilliant.
Mm.
This soup. This place is amazing.
Yeah, it's a nice place.
So my sister Melissa, she came back after bagging her master's degree and doctorate degree. She came back, opened a company, and we all work together. We work for her because she is the CEO of the company.
Okay, you mean you and Meg is working for her?
Yes, we do work for her. She's
Alright.
the CEO.
I see.
Mom, how come you didn't tell us you're coming into town?
Oh, because you girls have a way of lying to me that you're not in the country. You like dodging my visits each time I call to tell you that I'm coming.
Not true.
Mom, I know why you're here and what you want to talk about, but honestly, I do not have that strength.
Melissa, how dare you lie to Dr. Joachim that you do not know him?
What? Who doesn't know Dr. Joachim? I mean, a famous medical doctor based in the US? Oh my God.
Your sister here said that she doesn't know the first son of Chief Oduenyi, under whose scholarship she schooled.
Really?
I mean, who does that? That's by the way. Melissa, as we speak, Dr. Joachim is in the country and he wants to have a date with you.
No way, no how. I'm not having a date with him nor any man. Please, I'm not interested.
Melissa, how dare you try to walk out on me when I'm still talking? Did I tell you that I'm done talking? What is wrong with you?
Mommy, please, can you just stop this? Don't you know when to draw the line? Just stop, Mom.
There is no problem, Melissa. I want you to have this in your mind. You are going to have a date with Dr. Joachim this evening and nothing will stop it. Tell your sister.
Me?
Frankie, you see my sister Melissa? She is very intelligent, highly intelligent, the smartest amongst us. Reason she won a scholarship. They gave her a scholarship.
I see.
So, Frankie, what about you? Tell me about you.
Nothing much to say about me. Frankie is the third son in a family of 5.
Okay.
A graduate of mathematics. Yes.
Maths?
Yes, I read mathematics.
Frankie, you love maths? You read maths?
I am very good in mathematics.
No, not me. I hate maths. I don't like maths at all. But you see my sister Melissa? Yeah. She loves maths. Reason they gave her, something they gave her in my community. You know, she won I think philanthropist. Something philanthropist, they give her that in my community. She loves math, but not me.
So why didn't she study mathematics in the university?
I don't know, but she opted for business management. But she's doing well, oh. She's doing really, really well. She's the CEO now of our company. She's doing very good.
Forgive my curiosity. So why did Morris leave her despite her riches?
That guy is a madman. He is mad. He duped my sister of 30 million naira, ran away, went to Dubai. My sister loved him. My sister respected him. She was everything a man would want in a woman. Loved him, respected him. In fact, we were even feeling like she's a fool. In fact, she was a fool.
Wow, 30 million. That's huge.
That's a lot. That's a lot. It's to tell you the kind of heart that guy has. Right now, he messed my sister up and...
Something brought us here. Let's forget about him. Okay? Enjoy yourself.
No, it's not about enjoying myself because right now as we speak, my sister does not trust any man again. It has messed her up entirely.
Yeah, you're right. Let's...
Frankie, I'm really sorry.
I know, I understand. Pull yourself together, okay? Enjoy yourself.
Maurice, thank you for the food. I think we'll do this takeaway if they do takeaway here. They do, right?
I believe.
Mom, how does Joachim look like right now? I mean, is he handsome? Rich? Does he have 6 packs?
Which one is this pack?
Mom, I mean, a chiseled body, you know, with the muscles and the abs, flat tummy.
Anyway, I don't know what you're talking about. But all I know is that Dr. Joaquin is a very handsome man. And most importantly, he is rich. Very wealthy.
Oh, nice.
He even told me in confidence that he is on his sabbatical leave. And he wants to use the opportunity to get to know your sister better.
Oh, I see. Mom, is he talking marriage?
Bagam on point. He wants to marry your sister.
Mom, I'm sorry. Melissa won't even give it a thought.
Says by who?
Oh, sorry.
Why won't she agree? By the way, where is your sister Mandy?
Mandy, she went out with one guy like that.
One guy? I hope the young man is talking about marriage.
Oh, God.
I don't know why the men in this city, they are not seeing you people upon your beauties. Is all the men in this city, are they all married? Why are they not seeing you people?
Mom, all I'm saying is, this whole matchmaking thingy is not going to work with Melissa. Besides, she's a big girl now.
Big girl, my foot. A big girl without a husband. Don't you know that any big girl without a husband, despite her exposure, money, beauty, that person is classless. Yes, worthless and meaningless. Doesn't have meaning. Thank God that I've already gotten a husband for your sister. It remains you and Mandy. I will look into it.
Mom, trust me when I tell you that this whole arrangement is not going to work.
It wants to work.
Mommy, hi. Mommy, oh, wow, Mommy, you're looking good. How are you, Mommy? Hey, Meg, when did Mommy come here?
Over 2 hours ago.
2 hours ago? Mommy? Why is her face like this?
Apparently, Mom decided to get Melissa, her husband.
A what? A what?
Yes! I got a husband for her.
A husband. Melissa. Okay, so where is our in-law? You know, he's upstairs with Melissa, right? Let me go and see the husband, our new husband.
Come back here.
And you, when are you going to get married? When? You want to see another person's husband. What about your own?
Mommy, what? Let me say hello to our in-law.
I said come back here. There's no man up there.
Keep on deceiving yourselves.
Mom,
Look at you, girl.
I thought you were on my side.
You think you are exempted? Keep on deceiving yourselves. Look at you girls. Very beautiful, educated, and exposed. What is stopping you from getting a man? Is it difficult?
I'm the youngest.
Well, Mommy, me, I'm the middle daughter. The first has to...
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you. Mommy, but you're looking good, right? I know.
Jokers.
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime?
Can you just chill? We hear you. Trust me. Mom, smile, please. I don't like it when you frown.
You say cheese?
Come on, Mom.
Ageless. Take. Okay. Enjoy.
Mom, a drink for you.
I took it so that you girls will be happy.
Thank you, Mommy.
It's not as if I want it.
Thank you.
Okay, so now you've taken this. I just have one question. The husband you got for Melissa, since he's not in this house, where is he now? I want to see him.
I think the appropriate question should be, who is he?
Who is he? Okay. Who is he then?
Joachim.
Eh? Joachim? Mommy, Joachim Odweni? Hey! The man with C's!
Exactly.
With the new character. Like, Mommy, Joachim Odweni, I don't understand that. How did you see him? How did you meet him? Where did you guys meet? Because he just called Melissa a few days ago.
Can you imagine? Your sister said that she doesn't know him. In Anokwa. Anyway, he came to our house on arrival from the US.
He came to the house in Owerri?
Yes.
To see?
Yes.
Really?
To see Melissa. He emphatically told me he wants to marry your sister.
Marriage.
What is it?
Mommy, to be honest, Melissa is not going to marry him.
All the angels sing hallelujah. Someone else finally said it. But I told her. I already did.
That Melissa will not marry him. For what? Said by who? Let me ask you. Have any of you seen Dr. Joachim lately?
Well, you should me.
Every woman's dream. Everything cuteness. Handsome. Strong.
Are you serious, Mommy?
Yes.
Do you have a picture or something? I want to see him. I want to.
Hanamaba last. If you see him.
Mom came prepared, don't worry. Relax.
I know what I'm talking about.
She showed me already.
Let's come and see him.
It's cute.
Very cute man.
It's cute.
Give me the picture now.
Odogwu nwoke. Odogwu na-aga na-achịrị ya efi. Did you see it?
Are you serious?
Odogwu nwoke eje.
Yes! Mommy, look at his blood.
Odogwu na-achịrị efi.
Skin. Chocolate fine man.
Very handsome.
Look at everything cuteness. Look at his beard and you are just by the side smiling.
Why won't I smile? Nigga na nwoke. And I'm a nwoke.
Joaquin is fine, oh. Hey! Have you seen this picture?
I've seen him before.
So you saw this picture and you are not screaming wow, wow, wow like an ambulance.
But you know, Melissa, why would I scream? It's not gonna work.
Hey! Hey! Joaquin is fine, oh! Mommy, please. See this picture. Send it to me on WhatsApp.
I will send it to you.
And I think we're going to have someone's head for dinner tonight.
No, it's your head we'll have for dinner.
I'm just here to watch the drama unfold.
Mommy, please, because of Joaquin, drink up!
Okay.
Drink up.
So what you people should give me apple. That is what I want. Apple.
Well, I'm not ready to pound. She'll pound. She's the last.
Meaning what?
Anyway, for your information, I've gotten a husband for your sister. It remains for you too. I will look into it and I will think of a person.
Mom, you want to eat fufu, right? I'll go pound.
No, I will make it. What's the meaning of this?
I do not want to sit in that kitchen. I'm the last born, for God's sake.
Look at them. They think they are fooling me. They think they can play with my brain. I know the reason they ran off. Because I mentioned husband. All of you must get married and give me grandchildren. I'm not about to also.
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me.
Melissa, you know you're having a date with Joaquin tonight, right?
That's who? My mother or my father?
I don't understand. That's your sister. Your beautiful sister. I don't understand. You cannot keep, telling men to go away that you don't need men. You need a man. You need a man and you need to get your life back together. Organize your life back. That's what you need.
I'm not going on a date with any man. Not even that Joaquin or whatever you call him. I'm not.
Don't worry.
I won't do that.
Have you seen this? Look at. Have you seen it?
What's this?
Joaquin.
Please just take it out, please. I'm very busy. I don't want that stress. Just take it out. I'm not going on any dates with him.
What do you mean you're busy? For real, you're busy?
Yes.
I'm giving you a photo. Just look at the picture. You will change your mind. Look,
Just stop. I don't want to see him. I don't want to be on a date with him. No.
Are you being serious now because of what Maurice did? That's why you don't want to get your life together.
Who is the Maurice you're talking about here? I said, who is Maurice?
Yes. Ex-boyfriend that went to Dubai with the 30 million naira.
The same lunatic she spent her 5 years with? No. She wasted her 5 years with. And she has the audacity to bring him to Owerri. When I saw the man, I saw it in his eyes that he was not the serious type. Didn't I tell you? You have to prepare right now. You are going on a date with Dr. Joaquin. Now. Yes, this evening. Nothing will stop. Asadeko.
It's Joaquin's picture, Mommy.
Yes, look at him. Very handsome
transfer
guy.
the picture to me. It's Joaquin. Going on a date.
You are trying me. You must go on a date with Dr. Joaquin. Nothing will stop it.
Why is she not here yet? It's already 7 o'clock and she's not here. I understand she's a career woman. Why chose the right time, 7 o'clock?
What's happening?
Melissa, I said, take that clothes and wear it. Put it on. Your date is waiting for you. You don't have to keep him waiting.
I do not have any dates this night. I didn't plan for any.
Do not keep your date waiting.
Melissa, baby, just let me be. Mommy now, leave me.
Don't keep your date waiting.
You don't have to, eh?
Should I call her mom?
Take! It's my baby. I said it. Dr. Joaquin is calling.
Hello, mommy.
Hello?
Ma, my date is not here yet. And I'm worried. What's keeping her?
Oh, don't worry. Your date will soon join you.
Okay, ma, I'm waiting.
Melissa, Dr. Joaquin is waiting for you at Swiss Park. You have to go and meet him now. Take that clothes and put it on. Don't keep him waiting.
Mommy, I did not plan for any dates. I'm not going anywhere.
Melissa, you have to be
Where?
What's wrong with you now? Just
Mandy!
Why are you calling my name? What's Mandy?
Mom, this is the 21st century. Why are you trying to shove a man down your daughter's throat? She doesn't want it. Allow her!
Stop shouting at your mom. Stop shouting at your mom. Besides, Melissa is not in any relationship. What's wrong with you? Last I checked, she wasn't dating anybody. So what's stopping her from just going on a date with Joaquin?
Thank God she's still alive.
Please, shut up!
She's alive. She's not dead. Leave her be. Simple.
What is wrong with her going on a date with Dr. Joaquin? A young man for that matter, very rich.
Mommy, why are you arguing with Meg? You're supposed to. Take! The man is fine. Don't throw my phone away. Oh.
You must go on this date. Oh.
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so.
It's already 10 o'clock and she's not even here yet. Who does she think she is? Kept him waiting for over 2 hours. The last time I spoke to her on the phone, I sensed some kind of pride and arrogance in her voice. Is it that she was brought up this way? Why would she keep a grown-up man like me waiting? It's 10 o'clock, people have already left the bar. Or come to think of it, is her mom having a hard time trying to convince her to come out?
Oga, this person you're waiting for, if the person know they come, now where you go, they go.
My friend, shut up and leave me alone.
Mommy, please, just come and help me with this.
What is all this rubbish
Just
now?
bring her up.
What is this?
You must go on this date.
Okay.
Yes.
After you put this on,
You have to
now
bring her
force me
to-
to that place.
See, if you don't go on this date, you cease to be my daughter.
Mom, this is emotional blackmail. Cheap blackmail.
What is all this?
What do you mean by that? Is that the reason? So you people want to be Otolakane? None of you want to get married. You are just relaxed there. You have not even shown me your man. You don't even want to be acquainted with any man. You don't want to date any man. What is the problem with you? What have I done to you girls?
Mommy.
Where did I go wrong?
Mommy, your phone is ringing.
If it is Dr. Joaquin, what do I tell you now?
I'm sorry for the God.
Hello, Doc. Don't worry. Your date will be with you in a jiffy. Just don't worry. Hold on. You'll see her right now. Where is... Come on, put this thing on. Put it on! What did I get?
Mom, with what? For you to keep my masquerade for her to go on a most stupid date?
What's this? What stupid date? I don't want to hear your mouth again. No. Go and look for a man to marry you. Eh? If I did not marry, will I get you people?
Mom, you know what? Why not just go on the date?
Hey, good. Mommy, this. Will you shut up? Shut it! You will have to be my daughter if you don't go.
Mom, stop blackmailing her! What is this?
Oh, good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi. Hello.
Hi. Are you my date?
Please, can I sit?
Sure, you can. Come and join me. Come and sit.
Thank you, Dr. Joachim Ojono.
How come you know my name?
I can see you about living out of frustration. Your date couldn't make it.
I've been sitting here for the past 2 hours. For God knows what. She's not even here yet.
It's okay. I hope you're not angry.
Why would I be angry? Seeing a very beautiful and amazing girl like you this evening. I'm not angry anymore.
Do you go about flattering people?
No, I don't. But seriously, you are so beautiful, I must say.
You don't look bad yourself.
Thank you. What can I get you? Wait, barman! So, please come.
Mom, what's all this? I can't believe you're actually doing this.
I can't even believe you're the one saying this. At your age, I've had all my 5 children. What have I done to you? Why is it that you people don't want to get married and have your own children? If your child do this to you, will you be happy? Instead of getting married, you are here allowing men to break your heart.
No, Mom. I take an exception to that. If you want to talk to somebody, talk to somebody. I mean, go direct. Mention the person's name whose heart was broken by a man. As for me, I never born that man who break my heart in the grace. You know, Victoria, I am the one who does the breaking, and that's on period.
You should be ashamed of yourselves. You are 33. Yes, in 7 years to come, you all will become 40. And then menopause comes in. So what will happen to you?
Menopause?
I am your mother. I cannot deceive you. So the earlier you get married, the better for all of you.
Mom, technology has advanced.
Okay. Be joking.
Mom, it's called personal development, and that's what I'm doing. I have to be mentally stable to get married, so please.
You are all deceiving yourselves.
Oh my. That's funny, right?
You cracked me up a whole lot this evening.
I should help you.
No, it's fine. You're a lady, I should do it myself.
I can do that. Why not? Just do it. Thank you.
Thank
you.
Cheers.
You cheers and you drink. So let's do it again.
Okay.
I'm teaching you now.
Okay.
Cheers.
You know something? I think you're a comedian.
No, I'm not. I'm not a comedian. No.
Well, you cracked me up this evening, like you're making me laugh. You're making me so relaxed. You're making me enjoy my evening. I'm no longer bothered or worried about any other thing. Mandy, do you know you're so beautiful? I kind of like you a whole lot. Our energy just match and you're so adorable. I really want to see you again, really. I want to see you again.
But I'm not your date.
I know you're not my date.
Okay.
But that doesn't matter. I like you. Our energy matches. And I feel you're actually meant for me. Maybe that was why my date disappointed me. Don't you think so? Have you asked yourself why men like you a whole lot? You know why? It's because you're so beautiful. You are so welcoming. And you have a very bright soul in you. I just read your mind now. You just said, how did I know that?
How did you know that? How did you know that was actually what I said? How?
I read psychology now. I read people's mind. Especially beautiful minds like yours.
George.
Let's drink.
So what now, again?
You found love.
Oh, that's too fast. Come on. I'm not drinking to that. Just, friendship, good vibe, and that.
Okay. Friendship, good vibes. Welcome to my humble abode.
Amazing. Wow. You've actually got a nice taste.
I'm flattered already. Well, wait till you see the interior upstairs. You would definitely love it. Come, let me show you.
No, sorry. I prefer to be here. I'll see that later, okay?
Let's go upstairs so you see it. You will love it there.
I said I know. I prefer to be here. For now.
Why are you pushing me away? Why are you stopping me?
I don't like it.
It's just an harmless kiss.
Do you go around kissing every person you meet? It's a question. It's just a harmless question. Do you go about kissing everybody you meet?
Why would you even say that? It's just a harmless kiss. I'm
Please,
nothing more.
please. I am not Melissa. She's my sister.
And you didn't tell me this?
Well, I'm telling you now.
What about your other sisters?
She's fine. Later, alright? Just take care. Bye.
Babe, I'm not gonna put all that drama. In the beginning, they're all nice and caring. Towards the end, it becomes ghosting, like total ghosting. They gaslight you.
Is your sister not yet back?
No, Mom. She's not back.
What is she still doing?
I wouldn't know.
Anyway, I'll be in my room.
Not for home training. Nonsense. I don't understand it. Who does he even think I am, self?
How did it sense?
Mommy, please. I beg you. And I'm being respectful. Oh. Please. This should be the last time you will ever ask me to go and see Joachim. This should be the last time. Okay?
Mandy, this one you're ranting. What's up?
Tell me, what really transpired between both of you?
No, Mommy, please, can you imagine? Okay, we went for dinner.
He was acting all good, polite, and, manly gentleman. He said, let's go to his house. I agreed. We went to the house. I was complimenting his interior. I was telling him that he's got a good taste. And this man now felt like he could lure me into his bedroom. Because I said, oh, you have a good taste. He said, oh, let's go upstairs. I refused. I was being polite. I didn't say anything. I pretended like I didn't know what he wanted. Okay, for me to just continue talking, he came close to me and made to kiss me. Mommy, he made to kiss me, oh. It's just because of one thing, out of respect, that I just gave him just a little piece of my mind. A little piece of my mind, oh.
He asked you to kiss him?
Can you imagine?
Did you agree?
No, why would I say yes? Why would I even kiss him? For what?
Good one. An applause for you. Akandazo razo. Girl, you made your mother proud. I'm so proud of you. Eh? Believe me, he did that on a purpose.
How, Mom?
You are asking. Hello, Doc.
Oh, the demure one.
Hello, Ma. Good evening, Ma. How are you doing, Ma? How's the family?
Yes.
Well, Ma, I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you for raising a very beautiful, well-reserved, a golden girl.
You can say that again. You know, I am a teacher, a very strong and powerful disciplinarian. I'm so proud of my children. I raised them very well, especially my daughters.
Well, Ma, your daughter just passed the test that no lady has ever passed in my life.
But how come she came in fuming in rage?
Mom, please just tell her to calm down. Just tell her to calm down. She'll be fine. She should be happy. She just passed the test, okay?
Did you hear that? He said you passed his test.
Oh, please. The same excuse over and over again.
Can you please give her the phone? I want to talk to her, please.
Oh, don't want to speak with
No, don't do it. Mom! Why are you saying that out so cheaply?
Hello?
Hello? Oh, my beautiful angel. Ma Chalugo. How are you doing? You just passed the test. Do you know you're a very beautiful woman? Do you know how much you've won my heart? In fact, I want to make you my wife. I'm coming to see your people. Hello? Hello? Are you there, my princess?
Please, I'll talk to you later.
Excuse me, Mom. Good girl. Why are you dancing?
Did you not hear her? Wine carry.
Mom, this is insane. This is crazy. You want to give your... I don't even understand African mothers. I mean, this crazy man, I know he's a doctor, but trust me, he does need a doctor. This minute, he pretends to be so much in love with Melissa, like he cannot even breathe without her. And now, he switched to Mandy? I mean, tell me, mother, does it mean he doesn't even know what he wants? Is he that crazy?
May cool down. Is God not amazing?
Oh my word.
Eh? God has done it for me.
Mom, you're giving madman to your daughters.
The most important thing here is that Dr. Joachim is going to marry one of my daughters.
No!
Melissa, Mandy, Maggie.
No, Mom. Don't put me in that equation. I mean, how can you give a madman to your daughters?
Marriage is marriage, oh. Marriage is marriage.
Oh my God,
marriage
is
save marriage.
us.
Okay, here you go. Pick one.
Thank you, babe.
I know you love the red one.
So tell me, how was your day?
It was fine and hectic at the same time. Yes.
So you're stressed?
A little bit. But
Sorry,
you know
baby.
what? I was just trying to rush home so I'll come and see your pretty face, babe.
You know you have a way with words. It makes me feel special.
That's because you're special, babe. Can I ask you something?
Okay? Shoot, I'm listening.
Why did you choose to date me and not your sister?
Baby, please, let's not do this now.
No, 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 no. You keep dodging this question. Talk to me, babe. Why did you choose me?
Okay. The thing is that my mom and I, we tried our best to make sure that Melissa came on that date. We even forced the dress on her, makeup on, but she didn't budge. She just wasn't giving in. So knowing you'll be infuriated, Mommy now said that I should come meet you, explain, apologize to you. That's the reason I came on that date. And I'm sorry.
No, babe, it's fine. I feel God wanted it that way. Because a whole lot happened that night that I cannot even explain. And there's no answers to it. I love you so much, Mandy. I love you from the depth of my heart.
You love me?
Yes, I do, babe. I love you so much.
How can you fall for me that easily? I don't understand it. It just tells that you don't really know what you want. It shows that you're indecisive.
What do you mean by indecision? Babe, a whole lot happened that night. It was one crazy hell of a night. But I still thank God I met you.
Mandy. Let me call Mandy. It's been long.
Mandy, only God have answers to your question. But from the depth of my heart, I love you so much. Who's calling?
My friend. Let me, just a minute, okay? Hello?
Hi, Mandy. You forgot about me. Where are you?
I'm in my boyfriend's house.
Boyfriend? You have a boyfriend now?
Yes, I have a boyfriend. Do you want to speak with him?
Yes.
Who's calling?
Babe, my friend wants to speak with you.
Yeah, good day.
Hi.
Your aunt Dr. Joaquin Ubine.
My name is Engineer Frankie. Mandy is my very good friend. I am what I am today because of the help she rendered to me in the past.
Okay. It's a pleasure talking to you.
My pleasure too. Please take good care of her for me.
Okay, we'll talk some other time then.
Alright. Take care. Mandy. Boyfriend.
Okay. Frankie, my friend, goes way back.
Why does he even want to talk to me? Sounds strange.
Not strange. He just wanted to say hello and you answered pretty well.
Okay. It's fine. Let's enjoy our food.
Oh my God. He just bashed my car. Oh my God. He just bashed my car.
Madam, I'm so
What
sorry.
did you...
Melissa.
Morris?
Sis, you're here finally.
Yeah, I'm here.
You came really late today.
Wonders they say shall never cease.
What happened?
I met the shocker of my life today as a keke man who bashed me. Hey, guess who?
Who?
Morris.
What?
Excuse
You saw Morris?
The tea is hot, right?
So,
Sis, give me the gist.
You saw Morris?
Yes, sir.
So hold on. Morris now drives keke.
Yeah, he is.
Isn't God just wonderful?
No, what about he traveled to Dubai now?
So I heard. I don't know.
So after absconding with your 30 millionaire, he went abroad. I couldn't even find his feet. And all he settled for was to be a tricycle driver? Can you imagine?
Morris.
I didn't even need to burn any candles anymore. You know what, sis? You can have my drink, and I will, for the very first time, take your bag.
For the very first time, because you're happy, but not driving keke.
Yes, I am so excited. You know, the guy is so proud. Finally, it was reduced to 0. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is good. This is good.
And how did you feel when you saw
shock.
him?
Shock.
Like
What do you want her to feel?
Don't you feel good?
Of course, she's satisfied.
Yes,
Yes, she's satisfied. Mandela says you're getting married. Oh my God. I am super excited for you. And then you're getting married. Oh my God.
Yeah,
We have a wedding plan.
We do have a wedding, but
Well,
you know
Melissa, it was supposed to be you.
Thank you.
But you chose to stuck with that idiot.
Watch your mouth.
Watch with mouth. I'm just telling you the truth.
It's okay now.
So what's the color of the day?
Lilac.
Who's
That's
there?
not my color.
That's your color. Yeah. Who is there? Sabinus! Check the person at the gate.
Okay, madam.
Who you dey find?
Don't be stupid and open that gate.
Yummy. What a poor man with pride. You carry keke, you still dey get pride. You can't call me stupid. How about if you call me stupid again, I'll remind you what happened in the Bible between David and Goliath in John 3:16. I hope you remember how it ended. My friend, who you be?
It's like you don't have respect.
I
Don't
don't-
let me change it for you. Open this gate now. Go and tell your madam it's Morris.
I'll go, but I want to advise you. Men wey no get money no suppose get pride. As you get pride like this, you fit lose your future. I swear to God.
Will you shut up?
Now do you want to move?
Go and tell your madam what I just said.
I dey talk, you dey talk. With keke, ekbompa. With keke, you see they get pride. Ah! Pwah! If I be you, I go dey humble.
Stupid boy. Look at him.
You tell me. You say you know my color. What's my color?
No, don't.
You don't. No, what's my color?
She
Now
doesn't
say you
know.
correct it. Yes.
She doesn't
Okay,
know.
Don't bring this to me now. I know your color.
What is it? Who is it?
I don't want to tell.
Madam, now one man with pride, in say his name na Morris.
Morris?
Yes.
Is he mad? That idiot has the nerve to show his face in this compound?
Let him in. Excuse you.
What? Mel?
Melissa. Yeah. Let him in.
Madam, the blacks, you don't understand what this man come with. Nah, Keke. I'm bringing Keke into this place is an abuse to our luxury.
Get out. Open the gate.
Now.
Okay.
Mel, are you sure?
Calm down. You heard him. It's an abuse to our luxury. No problem, I know. But...
Okay.
What do you want?
You heard her loud and clear. What do you want?
Melissa, I want my baby.
What baby are you talking about? Did you leave any baby here? Wait, by the way, do I even know you? Who are you?
Oh, come on, don't play that dumb with me. You were pregnant before I left the city.
Really?
Yes.
Really, Morris? I do not know who you are and you have no right to walk into my compound talking crap. Now get into that rickety keke of yours and get out of here this minute.
I'm going nowhere. I'm not leaving this compound, not until you give me my baby.
You see you. You're a very shameless man. You're a very shameless boy, in fact.
Relax.
Oh my God.
Leave me. You don't want to leave, right? Wait for me.
Sabinus! Get out.
Open that gate and throw this idiot out of this home.
Okay, madam.
Meg, and what do you think you're doing?
This is what I'm doing.
Let me have my keke key back
Call
now.
security on you. Get out.
I'll call the police on you this minute.
Don't let me change it on you.
Call the police on you
You
this
mad?
minute.
Get out!
What do you mean? What do you think you want to do?
What nerve? You take your poverty stricken hand and get out of this compound. Take him out.
Young man, get out.
Take him out. Do your job now.
Young man, get out.
Sabinus!
Touch me.
What thing you go do? I go now. What thing you go do?
Get out of
Young man,
your
get out.
compound. Do your job.
Get out.
Get out. Get out of this compound. Get out. Please. Get out. Please. What do you mean? Sabinus! 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 Come out!
Where?
It's yours! What a man with pride! It's yours!
What a man with pride!
Come here! Come here!
What a man with pride!
On your knees! I said on your knees!
Now! I'm innocent.
You have the nerve to allow a stupid man come into this compound to harass my sisters and I? Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Take up your hand!
Sabinus, your eyes closed. This is what I pay you for?
Madam, na self-defense.
You will remain here till sundown. Stay
Sabinus,
there.
close your eyes. And your mouth open. Open your mouth. Open it!
Can you let a man come in here to harass us? Are you mad?
Madam, I'm sorry.
I said keep your mouth shut! If I hear a sound, you're dead.
Madam, please.
I said you don't talk!
So I've sent you the samples. Sir, we are simply the best. Just give us a try, please. Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, I'm assuring you that we are going to give you 100% of what I sent to you. Believe me. Just believe me, sir. Sir, you have nothing to worry about. My company, we are the best. I'll give you exactly of what I sent to you. Just believe me. All right, sir. All right, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Shit! 500 million. 500 million.
Look at what you do. Yes, it's your fault.
It's not my fault.
It's your fault because he said
open
he
that
mentioned
gate.
his name. Yes, you asked him to go and open the
Did
gate.
I know he was going to overreact?
What do you mean? Do you know that at the mention of his name, the gate should be open?
Do not always
No one
should blame me.
Who is that again? Sabinus! Go open the gate!
Oh, thank you. God bless you. God bless you.
Sabinus!
What you want?
Let me have my keke back.
Oh, yes. Not until you bring back the 30 million naira you duped from my sister.
What 30 million naira are you talking about?
Are you insane? Or did you just lose your memory? The same money you obtained by theft and by trick. You know what? Bring back every single penny or be prepared to rot in jail. And if you want to bring the police, we're waiting for you. Bring it on. You don't know me. I am not Melissa. Do you understand me?
Meg, you're just ranting. Oh, let me have my keke now. Or you know what I'll do.
Oh, what exactly, Keke Rider? Or what?
What do you think you would do?
You think I'm scared of you? Look at it. Take it from me.
I don't understand.
Melissa, you're here. Hold your Obanje sister. But tell her to give me my keke.
You will do nothing.
Sabinus!
Else I will lock you up.
I'll kill somebody here.
You are going to get the 30 million naira down to the last kobo. Else, you see this rickety keke of yours, you won't take it anymore.
You know, I'm going to take it apart, tear it shred for shred, and sell it to Pantekas. You don't know me.
Try it.
You think you're mad? I will show you where I'm from. Idiot. Get out of this school.
Get out.
Sabinus, what are you doing standing there?
Sabinus, come. This is your last chance. Do your job. Take this moron out of here. Okay. Now,
let me have my keke.
Or what will happen?
Do not try me, oh. Don't try us. I will call the police on you.
Meg, Melissa, please. Sabinus,
Sabinus,
do your job.
Okay.
Do your job.
Okay. The Bible says don't allow the affliction rise the second time.
Let Sabinus do his job.
Let Sabinus do his job.
Don't let the affliction rise the second time.
Oh my goodness.
It's in John 3:16. The Bible talk and please obey the Bible. Can you go?
Who is that ant talking?
Hey.
If you lay your filthy hand on me, I swear to God, man, Basi, I will kill you here.
I will lock you up. Try it. I will lock you up today.
You think you're mad?
You
have not seen Marcus.
Sabinus.
It's not about me. No, I am not. I do your job.
I don't understand you.
Morris, get out of this.
Why is it you that I don't?
Morris, get out of this.
Do your job. Take him out. Take him out.
Just talk to me.
You will not do anything. Get out.
Morris,
I am coming.
I say get out of this compound. Melissa, what are you waiting for? Ask this idiot to leave.
Don't worry. I'm calling the police.
I'm not leaving this compound.
No,
without
remain
my
here.
keke or my baby.
Remain here.
Hello, Frankie.
Mandy, guess what?
Frankie, just tell me what it is. You know I'm not good with guessing.
Okay. You remember the contract I told you I was pursuing?
Yes, I remember. Frankie, please. Tell me you won. You won it, right?
Yes, so I won the contract. 500 million.
500 million what? Frankie, congratulations. Congratulations. My mom will always say, is God not good?
Yes, so God is amazing. See, just few months that I met you, everything has turned around. For better.
Don't say that. Come on. All glory to God. God is involved and He has done everything. Listen to me, right? Just let me call you back, okay? There is a situation at home.
No, wait.
Okay, you want to say something else?
Yes. Will Melissa accept to marry me?
Melissa? Okay, Frankie, we'll talk about this later, alright? I'll just call you back later, okay? Please.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Ross, God will bless you, please. Let me get my work. Melissa, I can no longer take this.
Get out.
leave this place. You don't want to live right. You don't want to live right. You don't want to live right. Yes, you take your life. Yes. Thank God. God bless you. God bless you. Foolish idiot. Remain here. Okay. Remain here. Okay. If I see this idiot in this company, I will kill you. Okay. I won't give you food anymore. Madam, I get Oscar.
Ingrate.
Take that.
Give it to me. Give me this trance. Take it back there.
Okay, madam, thank you.
Take this back there.
Take it back there. Run. That's all you know how to do. Come back. Keep it there. Come back. Lie down. That same spot. There. That same spot. Why am I getting waist pain?
Meg, just let him be. Who be that?
Is Melissa in?
Melissa.
Okay, I want to see her.
Okay. I've been waiting there. You are back. Let's see it.
Flower.
Okay. Go inside.
Thank you.
Hi, man.
Frankie.
Man.
Hi, you're here. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I am good. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Hmm.
Is Melissa around?
Yes, she's in her room, but she's taking a nap.
Oh, I see. Please help me deliver this to her when she wakes up. Okay?
Okay. I will.
Alright, I have to go my way.
Alright, thank you.
Take care of yourself.
I will. You too.
Alright.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Alright.
You never give finish. Yummy.
How are you?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, is Meg around? No? Thank you.
What thing they go?
Hi,
Hi.
my name is Davis. Is Meg around?
Yes. No. She's not around. She's out.
Oh, it's fine. I got this for her.
Okay.
Please kindly tell her that I was here, okay?
Okay, I will. I
Alright.
will. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Bye. Alright, thank you very much, okay? Have a great day.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Frankie.
I'm Davis by name.
I saw you going in with a bunch of flower. Who are you here for?
I'm here to see my crush. Do you have a problem with that?
I actually came here to see my crush too, Melissa.
You mean you're crushing on Melissa?
Yes. Is she your crush too?
No. Actually, I'm here for Meg.
Meg? Wow, that's lovely. Since we are here to see same sisters, why not we be friends?
Sure. Who knows? We could be future in-laws. We never can tell.
I love that. All
right.
Let me have your digit.
Okay, fine. Okay. This is just typing over here.
Alright.
Alright, so the name again?
Frankie.
Frankie.
Davis.
Right. Davis, right? Yeah. See you another day. Alright, bye.
Wetin dey happen? I been a festival of flower and they no tell me. See how outside I just come do something. Me wey dey inside no start. Make I start my own. Uropanegbo. After you get flower, I need 5. Just give me flower, red, yellow, blue and green. Okay. Thank you. No, we build furniture. Furniture. I go tell you where I dey. Okay, bye bye. Hey, I go follow give my own. I go follow give my own. Men go not your own no. Your way.
Megan! Melissa! Meg! Lisa! Yeah? Please. You guys come downstairs, please. Okay.
What is it?
You bakery.
Oh. Ha. Are you having a festival of flowers?
No. Anyway, this is for you.
Oh, thank you.
From Davis.
Oh.
And this is for you. From from Frankie. And who's Frankie? Sis, I don't know.
Is this why you called us both?
No. Why are you acting like you don't know who Frankie is?
Oh, please.
No, hold on now. You're always in a hurry. What's wrong with you?
What?
Listen.
Okay.
You need to get married. Why they hate on men? No, why they hate on men? Our parents, they need grandchildren, son-in-laws. They need people. They need to be happy. We need to make them happy. You can't marry yourself, so. And you did not like, I gave you the flower, you threw it down, and you held your own like a stranger's dirty panties. You didn't even smell it.
Did you smell it?
I did.
Perfect. That is enough for all of us.
Right.
Thank you.
Gosh, is that why she called? I don't understand.
Keep preaching.
Hey, Melissa, lousy. Melissa.
Yeah, did you see it?
Yeah, mine is straight up. Weeded more like.
Weeded?
Yeah.
Oh.
How is this thing weeded? How is it weeded?
This lady is supposed to be our elder sister and she's got a bad mouth. Now, the last is worse. Me, I don't know where I belong.
You better come out for you. You better come out for that place.
Come. It's like you don't have respect. Open this gate or I will break it down.
You not gonna do anything. It is another day. Now you day outside and I day inside. Make I see your power.
Come, are you stupid? Will you open this gate?
Okay, are you mad? I not go open the gate. If my madam come outside, if you know the inside police station, how do you know?
Open this gate now.
I not go open this gate now.
Are you stupid?
Okay, are you mad?
Sabinus, madam, who wants to pull down my gate?
Madam, na that color you that day, oh. They came man with pride.
Melissa, I think that nincompoop needs to be taught a lesson he won't forget in his entire miserable life.
Open the gate.
How? Okay.
Open the gate! Why do you want to pull down my gate?
Melissa, I came for my child and my keke.
Are we still on this? What child are you talking about? And what keke? Is that why you're disturbing the peace of this neighborhood? Seems like you've lost it. You've really lost it.
Melissa, my child is in this house. Please, I beg in the name of whatever I hold dear to. Let me have him or her.
You are crazy.
Morris, you want to have your child? That's fine. Understandable. Come inside. At least come and fraternize with your child.
Like I said, them send you from my village. Oh God. You said the thought you have for me is the thought of good but not of evil. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. Any evil mind, Father, come against it in Jesus' name. Amen.
Sis.
Melissa! Melissa! Where you come and give me my baby?
Go inside and carry your baby. You don't even know what you're up against. Rubbish.
Melissa, just like I said earlier, I'm here for two things. One is my baby. Second is my keke. Where's my child?
No one has monopoly of madness. If you as much as push me to the wall, I'll show you real madness.
You will do nothing. I got too pregnant before I traveled to Lagos.
What? Lagos?
Wait. Lagos? And you told all your neighbors that you went to Dubai. How shameless of you. Ha!
I'm not leaving this house until you give me my baby. Yes!
You're the biggest fool in the universe to think that I'll let myself get pregnant for you. Are you crazy? Huh? Oh, let me bust your bubble. I purposely told you that I was pregnant the first time. And then you rejected it. You told me to abort it and I played along. Second time, I did the same thing and I played along. And then the third time I came to you with the same pregnancy issue. Told you I was pregnant. What did you do? You said I should abort it. Huh? And then after that, you disappeared into thin air. Ha! Oh my God. Morris, I gave you 5 years of my life. I gave you 5 years of my life! And what did you do? I cooked for you. I gave you my body. I gave you money. I set you up. I did your laundry. I sacrificed for you, Morris.
And don't forget to add the 30 million naira you gave him last.
It's true.
The cheat ran away with it.
And what did you do in return?
I mean, I put myself, who I am, what I have aside just to show you pure and genuine love. What did you do? What? You betrayed me. Maurice, you betrayed me! And you left me for death! You didn't even care how I pulled through, Maurice. God. Oh, you know what? Newsflash. There were never any pregnancies. They were mere pranks. And look at you. Standing right in front of me, looking into my eyes, asking for the same pregnancies that you rejected. How shameless can you be? Well, karma never forgets. Now I want you to pick your stinky self out of my house. I give you the next 5 seconds. If you do not leave, I swear you will not like what will happen to you. Get out. I would not be blamed for what happens next. Get out! Take your stinky self out of here. Get out! Stinky, get out! Rubbish!
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid. I've been so foolish because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me.
Wait, this boy, come and open this gate.
Why you order me like that? Why you order me like that? I don't go open any gate for you.
It's like you're mad, oh. Don't let me come down from this gate. We open this gate.
What thing you go do? Madam, come out now. What thing you go do?
Open the gate now, this boy.
Okay, I no go open gate on time. Madam, come tell me say make I open the gate. Madam, come out now. Madam, welcome. Sorry, yes, madam.
Open the gate.
Okay.
Is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid. I've been so foolish because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again.
Melissa, please. There was something you said earlier that I really didn't understand clearly. These pregnancies, you've actually been, like, I need to understand it. Were they all fake?
Fake.
What?
Yeah. I've always loved Morris. I knew that he never loved me. That, whatever, is all in the past now.
I don't understand something. Like, I don't get it. A beautiful, rich lady, a 10 over 10, loves you, brings out her heart, gives it to you, worships the ground you walk on. Yet you decide to mess around, cheat, love other women. I don't understand it. Does it mean that he doesn't want to, like, you know, be with a woman, a rich girl that loves him, that respects him, that honors him as a man, that makes him, brings out the king in him? Does it mean that he doesn't want all of that? I thought that's what men want.
I do not care. I don't care anymore, whatever.
No, you don't care. You always do not care. You sit there and say it nonchalantly. You don't care. Melissa, how can you be so cruel? How can you be this heartless? We are sisters. Not just sisters, we're triplets. We have a bond. You could do something like this to us? Do you know? When you cried, we cried. We grieved with you. We had to walk on eggshells just to make you feel comfortable. Do you know how hurt we were when you were hurting? And this pregnancy was fake? You couldn't even deem it fit to tell us? And you said nonchalantly?
It's my bad. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Enough of this, Maurice, and the whole of everything, okay? It's alright. But Melissa, we have 3 men. 3 good men. Frankie loves you. He loves everything about you. Why don't you just, give him a chance? Be everything he wants in a woman. Don't hate men. Try not to be scared and give this a chance. Let it... Meg, same thing I say to Melissa, I say to you. You have given Davis hair. You have said a whole lot to him. In fact, your tantrum, your temperament, it's here. Yet he keeps coming back. He keeps loving you. Keeps sending you gifts. Meg, why don't you, calm down. Be a baby. Be his baby. Love him. Because our parents, we need to make them proud. Like, they are hurting. They want to see our grandchildren. They want to see their son-in-laws. They want to see...
You know what? I need air.
You need air too.
So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid. I've been so foolish because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah.
Hey, pretty. I'm Davis by name. Hey, pretty. She just love me.
Even when I kept shoving him away, he hasn't relented. He keeps coming back. For obvious reasons, I hated men due to what a guy did to my sister. I felt that fool got Melissa pregnant. And it turns out that it was all a lie. Oh my God. Mandy and I warned her. We warned her not to fall in love with that guy, but she didn't listen to us. We all feared she was in the wrong relationship. And now, I've hated Davis all this while. All for nothing. Nothing. This isn't fair.
Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid. I've been so foolish because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken.
Hello.
Oh, hi. Good morning. Please, have you seen the guy that freeze and Saturday?
You mean Maurice?
Yeah, Morris.
Maurice is no longer staying in Nigeria now. He relocated to Dubai.
Sorry, what do you... I mean the guy that stays here.
I thought he's your boyfriend. You're supposed to know.
Wait, I guess you don't know the person I'm talking about. I mean,
I thought
Morris.
he's your boyfriend. You're supposed to know. He's no longer staying in Nigeria.
Where is he?
He's in Dubai right now.
God.
Are you okay?
No, I mean, how?
What happened? Is everything alright?
How? Oh my God.
But you're supposed to know now. You're supposed to know. He's your boyfriend. You're supposed to know.
No, he's not meant to be. He's meant to be here. He didn't tell me he's going anywhere.
No, now you're supposed to know now.
I know he was really nice to me the first day he met me. But that notwithstanding, I can't see myself dating the same man that used to stay in my ex's compound. No. Yeah, I know they said he has made money and moved out, but I can't. I just can't. I mean, how? Whatever, I just can't.
Hey guys, listen up. I have a confession to make.
Confession? Go on, yes.
That girl, Mandy, I love her so much. That girl is driving me crazy. I can't even explain it.
Listen. Mandy is a girl that I know too well. She's a very nice girl. She's the only girl I know I can vouch for her character right now. So you're good to go, man. You're good to go. You're on the right track.
Thank you. Okay, now, I want to draw something right here and right now.
Yes.
Yeah. On Saturday, I'm planning on proposing to her.
Just like that. Nice one. Nice one.
And again, I want to say something. I want the both of you there with me on that day.
Sure. We'll definitely be there. Yeah, I want to be. I wonder. Yeah, I want to be.
I believe you guys.
Okay. When would you propose to Melissa? Or do you want to remain a secret admirer forever? Just calm down. Chill. I will shock both of you. Okay? Go and marry Jare. Who you want shock? Listen, I will surprise both of you.
Mr. Shocker.
My marriage is on the pipeline. That is what you have been saying since. So you always have something to say when it comes to this marriage thing. Oga, when you marry? Don't worry now. I will shock both of you. Just keep your eyes open. You will see me coming with a ring.
But Frankie, why are you being slow on this girl? If you love her, tell her your mind.
I'll get it. I'm coming. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Please sit. Sit.
Thank you.
Hi. Melissa, I got you this.
Why me? Why not Mandy?
Melissa, I left the States just to be with you. And moreover, Mandy is so fond of Frankie. I see the way they talk. I see the way they bond. I feel they are meant for each other. Melissa, I've tried so hard to live my life without you being in it. I feel there's a puzzle missing in my heart. Please, Melissa, do me the honor of being my wife.
Yes, I will be your wife.
Congratulations to you guys.
Congratulations, Sissy. Congrats.
You guys will be together.
It's good.
Mandy, you're okay with that?
Yes, I am.
In that case, yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Mandy, you came into my life.
Whoa.
And gave my life a meaning. I love you with everything in me. The very day you told me about your boyfriend, that was the day I realized the quantum of love I have for you. Mandy, I have no life without you. I blamed myself for not opening up my feelings to you. Mandy, the best thing that can ever happen to me is waking up in the morning, watching you beside me, having in mind that you will be the mother of my children. Mandy, please marry me.
Oh. Say yes, please. Say yes. Yes.
Wow.
Oh, it's the festival of love. Congratulations. This was in one day.
Oh no. Oh no. No way.
Meg. From the first day that I saw you at the mall,
No way.
I knew you were the right person for me. A tiny voice whispered to me, "This is your woman." Meg, since then I've never loved you less.
Oh dear Lord.
Meg,
Oh
please.
God.
I love you so much. Make me a complete man. I want you in my life and I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Wow.
Meg, will you marry me?
Say yes already, please. Say yes. Yes.
Congratulations. This is amazing.
We all married? We have a wedding to plan. Yes.
This calls for a big celebration.
Yeah. Right.
Draken, you are the new man. Thank you. You made all this possible. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. My man.
Yes, baby.
Yes, man. You know why? I did not lose you.
Really?
Yes. You'll be my friend for now. Now my fiancé. We are getting married.
Yeah, we are. You see, I don't know. God is in this. I keep saying it. God's hand is in this. Because How was I going to tell Dr. Joaquin that I'm in love with you? It really disturbed me, oh. But here you are now. You're mine. Imagine getting married to a man that was meant for my sister.
What Joaquin did yesterday increased my respect for him.
Oh.
Yes. He's the real man.
Oh, wow.
He took both steps. I love it. Cheers, baby.
Beautiful.
I love you with everything in me.
And I love you more. I love you so much. Oh, what are you saying? I don't get, why did I forget?
Forget what?
I mean, I haven't even told Mom the good news.
So what are you waiting for?
I'm on it, baby. Hello, Mommy. Good evening, Ma. Mommy, I have a wonderful, amazing good news to give to you. Mommy, you know Dr. Joaquin, right? He proposed to Melissa and she said yes. Mommy, you know there is, like, Joaquin and I were never meant to be together now, eh? Listen, I have my own man now. You remember Frankie and Davis? Yes. Mommy, Dr. Joaquin proposed to Melissa, Frankie proposed to me, and Davis proposed to Meg. And we all said yes. The thing is, the sitting room yesterday, it was just filled with joy, happiness, and every other thing. I wish you were there, Mommy. I really wish you were there. Okay, Mommy, listen, I'm going to talk to you later, okay? So for now, take care of yourself and bye-bye.
Bye, Mom.
She's already asking me.
Them they sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go say love too sweet too. Love is a beautiful thing. Your heart's got the play calypso. Everything's so colorful and everything's so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay. Love too sweet, oh. You're sweet like sugar, but you need someone who go love you plenty. Tinini, 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 na so you the sweet, oh. Yeah. Tell me if love is not beautiful. That them they sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go say love too sweet too. Tell me if love is not beautiful. That them they sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go say love too sweet too. Love is a beautiful thing. Your heart's got the play calypso. Everything's so colorful and everything's so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay.
Babe!
Yes, darling. Coming.
What are you doing in the kitchen?
I'm making us lunch.
Lunch?
Mm-hmm.
That sounds strange. I didn't know that despite being a career, an independent woman would allow you make food or cook rather.
Why is that? I mean, what's wrong with it? I'm a true African woman, right? And as such, I should know how to cook.
Not a woman of your class and caliber or something.
No, that doesn't mean anything. All I want you to do right now is sit right there and wait for the food to be ready, then you give me your score. How about that?
Alright. Take your time.
Be right back.
That thing is sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go see say love too sweet.
Welcome to my room. Come on. Sit.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay. Love too sweet, oh, you sweet like sugar, but you need someone.
Okay, Frankie, please, don't tell me you brought me into your room just to stand there and look at me.
Yes, I can't stop admiring your beauty. Yes, I can't stop. You're so beautiful.
Please, say that again. What did you say?
I said you're a laborious damsel, an epitome of beauty.
I didn't hear. I am?
Yes, baby.
Pick me on my forehead.
Come on. Can't you see you're taller than me?
Okay, what's wrong with you? Can't you just do like this and okay, fine.
Alright, I will do it.
Let's do shopping.
Okay. Alright, my baby.
Sweet like sugar, but you need someone who go love you plenty. Tinini, 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 na so you dey sweet, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tell me if love is not beautiful. Oh yeah. That thing is sweet like sugar. Oh yeah. If you find your true love, the one meant for you.
You like it?
Babe, it tastes so nice.
Told you. Thank you.
Should I tell you a secret?
What?
I normally fly all the way from the States to come to Nigeria to have a taste of my mom's food.
You don't say. Like all the way to Nigeria? Just for food? That's something
Babe,
serious.
You would have seen me then. I was looking
well fed.
I can imagine.
And guess what?
Uh-huh.
It was one of those visits. She showed me your picture.
Really?
Yes. And ever since then, I was so carried away. Like, I admire your pictures so well. You were looking so beautiful and adorable. Then and there, I knew I found myself a wife.
Tell me, did you ever sleep with Mandy?
No. Why would you say that? Even when I was with her, I was thinking about you. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you believe me?
Babe,
Yes.
are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
You're shy? Come on, come to me, okay?
I can't.
Baby, come on, come to me.
Okay.
Come on, okay? Come to me. Please. Don't be shy, okay? That's my baby. Come on. Babe,
Mm-hmm.
why didn't you tell me you were still a virgin? I enjoyed every bit of it.
Thank you.
I hope you're passing the night here with me.
I hope you're not going to get angry if I object.
No. All I want is to sleep in each other's arms.
Baby, I have work tomorrow. And it's by 8 a.m. I have to leave.
Right. Right. Promise me you are spending the weekend with me.
I'll really be busy during the weekend.
Come on, baby.
Okay, fine. Don't squeeze your face. What's wrong with you? I'll be here.
Alright, my baby. That's my baby.
Thank you.
I love you.
Love you too. Thank
If
you.
you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go see say love too sweet too. Love is a beautiful thing. Your heart's got the play calypso. Everything's so colorful and everything's so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart.
Wakey, wakey. Wake up, baby. It's morning already. Wake up, baby. It's morning already.
Good morning, darling.
Good morning, my love. How was your night?
Awesome. Because you made it worth my while.
I'm glad I made your night. You know you're so special to me, right? I prepared breakfast for you.
You're so sweet.
Yes, my love. You need to eat so you can go shower from work.
Oh,
relax.
this is so nice. Oh,
I love you so much.
I love you more.
Alright. I need to go iron your clothes, okay? You need to... What is it, babe? Are you okay? Is it hot?
Oh, yeah, a bit hot. But it's fine. Don't
Sorry,
worry.
babe.
It's
Should I
okay.
get you cold?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
You're
Thank
sure
you.
you're fine?
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Alright. Let me go fix your clothes, okay? I need to iron them now. I'll be right back shortly.
I'm getting a 5-star treatment.
Alright. Coming back shortly. Make sure you finish your food.
I will. Oh, this is already for me. Okay, now he's a typical man. He did good. But this, oh well.
If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go see say love too sweet.
Who said that?
Baby! That thing they sweet like sugar. If you find your true love.
You look at this. Are you sure it's properly handled? This was edited, but not edited properly.
Oh my god, I thought she corrected it.
She did now, but same mistake.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. She has to. She'll work with this one.
Yes, we're supposed to work with this one, but we asked her to edit it, and then she edited it mid.
Yeah,
I don't know. She's
okay.
I get you.
Good morning, sis.
Good morning, sis. You're 10 minutes late.
I know, but I overslept.
You slept over at his place? You did?
Babes, Davis, he's such a sweet guy.
Okay, hey, remember this is an office space, alright?
I know. Sis, can you believe Davis made me breakfast in bed this morning? He also ironed my outfit. I never knew this is what I've been missing all along.
Okay, enough. Enough about Davis. We need to really work on this if you don't mind. Here.
Okay.
Here. Go through it. Actually, the both of them.
I worked on this yesterday before leaving the office.
But not properly. So, You have to draft an email using this one, send it to Mr. Clark before 2 p.m., please.
Aye, Captain. I'll be in my office.
Thank you.
Joy killer. Come on.
Yeah, we'll help you. Hold on.
You're such a joy killer.
I'll be in my office.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Sis, you need to see this girl. She's so pretty. And to crown it all, sis, she's a very brilliant girl. Yes, so sis, did I tell you she's a triplet? Hey, 3 beautiful girls. Sis, your brother catch this one well. Yes, now. Sis, I am so lucky. Sis, you don't know how lucky I am. See, do you know the good thing about these girls? They do things together. Like there is unity in that family. Of course. No. How about sis now? Why are you talking like this now? And since I'm surprised you are saying all this thing. And since you know what I passed through. Huh? See, you shouldn't be saying this thing now. Eh? This girl that disappeared on our wedding day. Eh? Imagine. Eh? No, sis, I beg. I'm really surprised you're saying this thing. Sis, she's in my past, please. Don't bring my past to my future, sis. I don't want to have anything to do with that girl. I don't even want to hear her name again, sis. See, this is someone I trained in universities. No, now, you can't be saying this thing now. Yes. No. I don't think she deserves to know, sis. That's not important, please, I beg. I can't tell her such. No, sis, there's no need. That's my past. I can't bring it back again. See, listen, sis, I want to focus on my new girl now. And I want to spend my life with her. And that's all, please. Alright. But please, I don't want to talk about this again, sis, please. I'm not really happy. You've spoiled my mood. I was telling you about someone I love and you're there bringing my past. It doesn't make sense at all. Alright, sis. No problem. Alright.
Sis, I thought you went to Davy's house.
He's married.
Are you being serious right now?
I've never been more serious in my life. I overheard his conversation with his elder sister on the phone. I eavesdropped on that. And she even told him to tell me about his ex. But he opined that it was pointless. Can you imagine?
Ex. And he's married. I don't understand. Why are you speaking from the both side of your mouth?
That's because she didn't show up on their wedding day.
Okay, but he should have told you.
My point exactly. He should have told me, but he did not. Men and keeping secrets are like 5 and 6. Why? Why didn't he tell me? He decided to keep it a secret from me. You know what? I am done.
No. You're not done. Stop.
I am done, Mandy. Davis and I are over.
Stop lamenting. It's okay. But you're not married.
Do I look naive to you? Do I look like a fool? No white wedding can happen without dowry payment, wine carrying, a traditional marriage. I'm not a fool, sis.
It's okay.
It's over.
I'm sorry.
I cannot play second fiddle in any man's life. This is it for me.
It's okay.
What is going on? My baby's supposed to be here. What's happening? She told me she would come immediately she goes from work.
The worst part of it is, I've already slept with him.
No. No. You don't need to say that. Stop lamenting, okay?
That's the reason why I don't give my heart out. Men, they just use you, then gaslight you. They shove you away. They break your heart. That's why I didn't want to be with anyone. I didn't want my heart broken.
She's not here. Oh God, let me just try calling her again.
You know what? I'm gonna cry over it.
No. You need to pick it.
I don't want to talk to him.
Listen to me, Meg. If you don't pick this call, it smells of immaturity. That's what it tells. So you need to make him understand that you're mature. Pick the call, listen to him, hear what he has to say. Maybe he has a reason for not telling you. You don't know.
Mandy, I am being matured right now. And that's why I am not crying. I do not want to hear his story.
You will not pick it. You're not picking the call.
Babe, pick the damn call. What's going on?
It's okay. You still need to be a baby. You're the last time. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
What is going on? Is she alright? My God, what is happening? Let me just try. Call her again. Babe, pick this call. Pick this damn call, babe. Fuck! What is happening?
I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid. I've been so foolish because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. I can't believe you did this to me.
Meg. See, I really don't like what you're doing now. Why don't you just hear him out? Listen to what he has to say to you.
I don't want to talk to him. I don't want to hear anything he has to say.
You don't want to hear him out?
No, I don't. Please.
Are you really sure you don't want to hear him
Mandy,
out?
I don't!
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's okay. Suit yourself then.
Mandy, leave me alone.
Meg.
Leave me alone!
Meg.
Hi, Meg.
What are you doing here? Leave this place now. Leave this place now.
You haven't been taking my calls.
Get out of this place. Go be with your wife, okay?
Wife? Wife? What wife are you talking about?
Davis, you think I'm stupid? I overheard you. You're having a phone conversation with your elder sister, and you specifically told her that you did not want to tell me about your ex-wife.
Yes, Davis. You actually did not try. You don't try at all. You would have just told her now.
Meg, I left Lagos because of what my ex did to me on our wedding day.
Oh, story.
I couldn't bear the shame. That was why I left Lagos.
So, what exactly happened?
She stood me up on our wedding day. And she never showed up. Friends, family, everyone were waiting for her. Only to find out that she eloped with her secret boyfriend, the same person she told me was her cousin. Meg, I've been through a lot. I trained her through the university. I did everything a man will do for a lady he loves. After NYC, we had plans of getting married. But what happened? She shocked me on our wedding day. Meg, I'm so heartbroken. I'm in pains. Friends, family, everyone call me stupid for my actions. The only crime I committed was to love unconditionally. Meg, it is obvious that love is not for me. And if you leave me today, I will die, Meg, because there is nothing I'm living on this earth for. Meg, I love you so much. But I can't force it. It is obvious that marriage is not for me. Mandy, thank you very much, okay? I really do appreciate you. Bye, Meg.
Meg. Don't leave. I love you too.
You don't know how important you are to me. I promise you, I will make your happiness my priority. Meg.
I'm not leaving.
Sure you're not leaving me?
I'm here to stay.
Meg. I thought I've lost you.
You're silly.
Yes, no problem.
We're coming back.
Oh, babe.
Yes, love.
Where's your car? Oh, you didn't come with your car?
Oh, it's parked outside, babe.
Oh, okay.
Okay, my love.
Please open the gate.
Sabino's my guy.
My man. Madam, you won't come.
Open the gate.
My man.
Ayana, let's go.
Everything's so colorful and everything's so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay. Love too sweet, oh, you taste sweet like sugar, but you need someone who go love you plenty.
So,
Now because of my mother, make am carry flower come that day. I don't tell Urego, make you also bring flower for me, no gree. Now I don't come back everybody. No. I will carry one of them. Urego, why you dey do me like this now? I tell you, say make you send flower, come give me. Say it very important, you come the delay. We build my flower, no the talk. We build my flower. I want to make it natural. Okay, thank you. Hey, now who I go carry now? Is it Mandy or Auntie Melissa? But the two of them no be my spec. I like it big. Now this man don't go carry my spec now, come on. I go do now. As long as say na still them, I go manage. Them get good hearts. I go show them say I like it natural. I go bring a dama. I go bring a ditant.
Tell me if love is not beautiful. That thing they sweet like sugar.
Those stairs. What's up?
You know, I can't stop staring at you. And how lucky I am to have you in my life. He takes away the first to establish the second.
What does that mean? I'm confused.
You know, I've been through a lot in this past years of my life. God revealed to me in the scripture saying that I, God, will take away the first and bring back the second that is better for you. And that is you in my life.
Wow. That's beautiful.
You know, it's so disgusting each time I reminisce of what Imelda did to me and everything that I've passed through. I'm sure I came to this city because of you. I heard audibly his voice saying, move to this city. This is your divine city where you find happiness. And then I contacted this agent who showed me some houses. And then I just chose and moved in immediately.
Oh, I thought you built it.
No, I actually bought it from this real estate agent. And then everything, I just moved on immediately. I knew my destiny was here. And I'm happy to have you in my life. I promise you won't regret this decision you've made. I'll make you the happiest lady on earth.
What's that? Why did you have to exhale like that?
Make you stress the hell out of me. God, hey, what kind of girl is this? The abuses and everything. I say, you see this baby, I will not give up. It's either I get Meg or I will go back to my village.
Really?
Meg, I can't give up on you. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Oh God, I'm so happy to have you in my life.
Let's go. Else Mandy will come out with a stick.
Okay, fine.
Sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go say love too sweet too. Love is a beautiful thing. Your heart's got to play calypso. Everything's so colorful and everything's so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay. Love too sweet, oh, you sweet like sugar, but you need someone who go love you plenty. Tinini, 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 na so you dey sweet, oh, yeah. Tell me if love is not beautiful. That thing they sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go go see, say love too sweet, oh yeah, nah. Tell me if love is not beautiful, oh yeah, nah. That thing they sweet like sugar, oh yeah, nah. If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go see, say love too sweet,
Bye, darling. Bye.
Alright.
Bye. So you go, run
I'll
along.
watch you enter the house with.
everything so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay. Oh yeah. Love too sweet, oh. You they sweet like sugar, but you need someone who will love you plenty. Tinini, 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 na so you they sweet, oh. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Tell me if love is not beautiful.
Wait, did he just kiss my Melissa? Could he be his new boyfriend or what? Ah, I mixed up big time. See, guy, hey, see how this guy is kissing my woman right before me. God, they said diamonds are forever, please. I want to have Melissa forever. What will I do now? Hi!
What is wrong with you? Huh? Morris, have you lost it? Why? You want to die by my car? What is it? What do you want? I've given you your keke, right? I've released it, so why are you still hounding me? You're hunting me, what is it?
Melissa, please. I'm sorry about the stunt I put in your compound. I did it to get your attention, but now I know better. Please, forgive me. Ever since I walked away, I haven't been myself.
You are blabbing. I hope you know that, right? The last I checked, you ended us. So, what do you want?
I was stupid. I was being irrational. I was paranoid, but now, like I said, I know better. Please forgive me. Give us this chance so that we can actually continue from where we stopped.
There can never be us. Never ever. Not now, not ever. Not after you left me. You left me drained, drowned. I drowned myself in emotional terror. I was haunted. I cried so much. Severally, I contemplated suicide. Like, I don't even want to start going around and talking about the experiences, the traumatic experiences I had to go through all because of you. So please, just let it go. Leave me.
Melissa, I will just end it. I will just die.
Then die. Die because I died 1,000,000 times over when you left me.
Melissa, please.
This is over, as you can see. I'm taken. Now I have a man who genuinely loves me and we're about to get married, so just get out.
Melissa, please. All I'm asking is that you give me a chance to prove to you how much I really do love you.
It is over between us.
Give me a second chance, Melissa, please.
I'm sorry you lost that chance. You blew it up yourself. No, I don't want you locking around my place. Because if my fiancé sees this, he will not be happy with you. He'll deal with you sternly. Don't you ever try this again.
Please, you're all that I have.
No,
I will die.
you have God. Run to him and cry.
Melissa, please don't do this to me. Melissa, I know that I love you. Melissa,
Don't you dare! Don't you dare come to me!
Get out!
But if you want guy, go to your other side. That is the reward of being pride.
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So so you can do this to me. I am so broken, my heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid, I've been so foolish, because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me.